trade that I have taken, a position that I have made. I tell you why I had taken that particular position, the particular logic behind it. Okay, so we just see the position or or close positions. Then you will see that I had taken a position in Euro JPY that is uh, on 21st 11, that is today, 21st November. Okay, so as per Indian standard timing, uh, I don't know what is the issue with the timing. I've taken it somewhere around 11 something and closed it in 45 minutes around. So 11 to at least 12 or 12:15 something, somewhere I've closed it. Okay, so I had taken a short position in Euro JPY. You see, I had taken I just put the chart on the screen of a Euro JPY. Okay, and I've made a profit of around $27 in this particular trade. Okay, so what was the logic behind why I sold this particular or took a sell side position in this particular currency pair? Okay, uh, I'll just erase these drawings. Fine. So this basically, uh, these were my levels. Okay. First, very important thing as a trader, you should know that you should have some levels or key levels wherein you should figure out what kind of sentiment is prevailing in the particular currency pair or in particular stock, whatever you call it. Okay, so in this particular currency pair, I was pretty like sure or expecting for a bearish move. Okay, because if I read the volume or if I do the volume analysis, I could find out that this particular currency pair is bearish. Okay, so I was at this particular level, I was pretty sure that I'm right, and this particular currency pair is in bearish mode. Okay, so what I did, I waited for this particular break. Okay, these are some levels which I've marked after doing some studies. Okay, so I can't tell you that in this particular video. I will start a separate course for it if you want to learn. Okay, so this particular levels was some I marked this particular level as per my analysis, and now I was waiting for a confirmation. Okay, so I took entry somewhere here. This is the level, this red line you can see. This is the level where I took my entry. Now, why I took my entry here? Okay, so I was pretty sure expecting a bearish move. So what I did, or what you should do always, always remember whenever you want to trade, okay, if say suppose you want to take a sell side position, then always find a place where people can be trapped. Okay, so this was the place where people possibly could got trapped because if you see, I'm just connecting this highs. Okay, if I connect these highs, I can figure out that people are waiting for this breakout. Okay, so this breakout would be a false breakout if the prevailing sentiment in this particular currency pair is bearish. Okay, so I was bearish about this particular currency pair. So I was waiting for this breakout. So once the breakout happened, I took a short sell position because now here liquidity will come into picture. Okay, if I want to sell, someone has to buy. Okay, so people are buying here, so I have put a short sell entry. Okay, so now I'm like, people must have bought here, so their stop losses will somewhere be here. Okay, so I'm targeting that stop losses now. My target will be their stop loss. Okay, this is it's a psychology I work with. Okay, so I was waiting for this breakout. So this breakout happened. I triggered a sell side position. People usually prefer buying on breakouts. I prefer selling on breakouts because that's where people get trapped and you make money. Okay, so I took a short side position here. Market went out. This was my stop loss. If I was wrong, my stop loss would have been triggered. But as per my analysis, I was right and market came down. From my particular level, you see market went down very sharply. Okay, here was my entry point. Here was my target, and here was my stop loss. Okay, and you see now that particular currency has fell more, but here it was a demand zone, so I booked my profit, but I could have waited and made more more profits. Okay, if you just see how much points I've captured, I always trade on 15 minutes time frame, so I am a sentimental trader. I'm not a scalper. I trade based on sentiments. Okay, so if you see from here to here. Okay, I have booked around 576 points. Okay, or pips, 576 pips. 576 pips for most of the people is like very like too much. People don't think about that because most of the YouTubers I've seen are scalpers. They go for like 15, 20, 30 pips, max to max 100, 150 pips. I went for 576 pips. All the trades that I've taken are basically about 250, 300, 400 pips. Okay, that's why my risk is also like my risk is around 350, or I would have exited around 310 like that. So around 1 is to 2 ratio. Okay, that's what I go for usually. Okay. So if you are like no good at analysis, if you are very pretty sure about the analysis, or you have spent that much of time in the particular in the markets, then like you get that confidence because you have every single day woke up and you have seen the market, how it works, how people behave in the particular scenario. So as per that, you learn it. It comes to you. That learning comes to you. So it's been around 5 years for me in in the market. So let's see. This forex trading is something new for me. I'm from India, so I trade in Indian market, but this is something I'm trying forex. I've taken a you know drop from challenge from funding pips. It's been 3 months, but I'm not very active in this particular account. Now I'll try to be active and you know like qualify this challenge and take a payout and inform you. Okay. So always remember key takeaways. If you want to plan a trade, see to it that people are like, if you want to take a sell side trade, people should be trapped in the buying side. Okay. If you want to take a buy side trade, people should be trapped in the sell side. So this is something that you need to remember every time you come in the market for trading. Okay. If you are just going with the people, then you will be trapped because operators wants liquidity. Okay. So and you want to be someone who goes with the operator and not with the retailers. Okay, fine. So that's it for the today. Okay, I'll post another video tomorrow, or if I take another trade today, I'll update you guys. Okay, thank you so much. We'll meet soon. Thank you.